Good morning, students. Welcome back to Social Class. I hope that you all are safe and fine at home by God's grace. And I hope that you have understood the previous lesson in geography, the universe, and the solar system. And I hope that you have enjoyed all the videos which is played at the end of the lesson. And I hope that you have completed your assignments too. Today we are going to start with one lesson in civics. The topic is understanding diversity. So in this lesson, you will come to know the meaning of diversity. You will understand the meaning of diversity in detail. Under different headings, we will see what is diversity. In short, diversity is a different range of people or things. So you will come to know the meaning of diversity. The next you will understand the existence of diversity in India. In India, we come across different range of people who live in India. So, we come to know the existence of diversity in India. And third thing, you will develop a healthy attitude towards others around you. Healthy attitude, that is a good attitude or right attitude towards others around you. Fourth thing, you will come to know the differences in the belief system of people. When we talk about belief system, they are influenced by a number of different things in a life and change over time. While religious belief system are the most commonly recognized, there are many different belief systems of people we come across in India. But religious belief system are the most commonly recognized one. And the others are spiritual belief system, political belief system, and philosophical belief system. So you will come to know the differences in the belief system of people. See, every people are different in their belief system. So that also you will come to know in this lesson. Lastly, you will know to accept and respect the unity in diversity, because in a country like India, different range of people live. So you will know to accept the differences and you will try to respect and you will start respecting the diversity in India. See, even though there are differences are there, but we all are united in the name of India. Okay, children, let us go into the lesson. Children, take a look around your class. Do you see any of your classmates who look similar? No. Everyone is different from one another, right? Okay. Now, children, look at the table. See, here in this table, 3 students' details are given. Student 1, Student 2, Student 3. Here, mother tongue, food and festival is given. The student 1's mother tongue is Tamil. The student 1 speaks Tamil. Mother tongue of student 1 is Tamil. Mother tongue of student 2 is Malayalam. Mother tongue of student 3 is Hindi. What is the food of student 1? Rice. Student 2, puttu. Student 3, chapati. What is the festival celebrated by the student 1? Pongal. Student 2, Onam. Student 3, Holi. Okay, from this table, what do we understand? We come to know that the 3 students are different from one another, right? So, student 1, student 2, student 3 are different from one another. So, this shows that people speak different languages. People speak different languages. They eat different kinds of food. People eat different kinds of food. People speak different languages. And second thing, we come to know that people eat different kinds of food. Third thing, what do we come to know is people celebrate their own festivals. People celebrate their own festivals, and even they practice a culture which is different from one another. So every one's culture is different. So these differences make us unique as Indians. Okay. So these differences only makes us unique. Unique, again different, as Indians. See children, we come from different backgrounds, belong to different cultures, worship in different ways, but yet we live together in the name of Indians. So this is known as diversity. I will repeat again, what is diversity? See, we come from different backgrounds, belong to different cultures, worship in different ways, but yet we live together in the name of Indians. So this is known as diversity. Next we are going to see the existence of diversity in India. India is a home to civilization which is 5,000 years old. What is civilization? Advanced social development. See children, many civilizations took place in the world. In India, civilization took place along the banks of river Indus. We call it as Indus Valley Civilization. About Indus Valley Civilization, we will study in detail in history. So, civilization is nothing but development which takes place socially. See, India is a home to civilization that is 5,000 years old. Different groups of people from different parts of the world were attracted towards India over the years. Reason? Because of its wealth. Why people were attracted towards India? Because India is rich in wealth. So different groups of people from different parts of the world were attracted towards India because India is rich in wealth. Some came for trade with the local people and others were keen on invading its territory. So some people from other parts of the world, they came for trade purpose, for trading purpose they came to India. And others, what they did is, they started invading the territories in India. That is, through wars, they captured the territories from the Indian kings and they brought under their control. So, diverse races of people migrated into India by land and sea routes over the period of time. So, how different races of people came to India? They came to India by land and as well as sea routes. So, thus the Dravidians, Negroids, Aryans, Alpines and Mongoloids, they become a part of the modern Indian race. So, as different races of people migrated into India by land and sea routes, the Dravidians, Negroids, Aryans, Alpines and Mongoloids, they became a part of modern Indian race. Then the people who migrated to India also moved to other parts of the country. So this movement and migration of people is the reason for India's rich diversity. See, again I will repeat. So the diverse races of people migrated into India by land and sea route. Thus the Dravidians, Negroids, Aryans, Alpines and Mongoloids, they become a part of modern Indian race. Then the people who migrated to India also moved to other parts of India. So they went and settled in other parts of India. So this movement and migration of people is the reason for India's rich diversity. So you would have come to know how different races of people came into existence in India. See children, I hope that you have understood what is diversity and you would have come to know you would have understood the existence of diversity in India. See, we will study the diversity in India under the different headings like landforms and lifestyle diversity, social diversity, religious diversity, linguistic diversity and cultural diversity in the coming classes. So I hope that you have understood the meaning of diversity and the existence of diversity in India. So in the coming class, we will see in detail about the existence of diversity in India under different headings. Followed by this, you are going to see a video. Followed by that, one assignment will be given. Please complete it. Thank you, children.